In his playing days, he used to be one of India's most feared opponents on the cricket field. His coming to India this time has added an element of disgruntlement to it. A string of national political parties have hit out at the government decision to allow Mian Dad, now a relative of terror kingpin Dawood Ibrahim, into the country. Most surprising perhaps, the Congress hitting out at its own government.
Definitely, if Javed Mian Dad has been given visa, so I think so it is against the message and sentiment of our people.
दाऊद इब्राहिम जो भारत में कई बड़ी आतंकवादी घटनाओं को अंजाम देने का मास्टरमाइंड है, दाऊद इब्राहिम जैसे लोग उस आतंकवादी फैक्ट्रियों को पाल पोस रहे हों, बढ़ावा दे रहे हों, ऐसे हालात में उनका कोई भी सगा संबंधी भारत में सरकारी मेहमान बनकर आए तो भारत के लोग स्वीकार नहीं करेंगे.
The reason for the political anger lies here. Mian Dad is now directly related to terror kingpin Dawood Ibrahim. He is the father-in-law of Dawood's daughter. Can the government cast a blind eye to that?
The Home Ministry's biggest defense in granting a visa to Mian Dad is that he comes to India not in his personal capacity but as a member of the Pakistan Cricket Board. The External Affairs Minister strongly backs the Home Ministry and says that things are being blown out of proportion because all due procedure has been followed.
It's a decision that's taken by the government. I can't blame the MHA, I cannot blame ourselves. It's a decision taken by the government. What are the circumstances, what is considered, when is an approval given, what goes into it is something that is an internal government matter.
Former Indian cricketers, people who've played against Mian Dad on the field, also agree with the political voice to keep him out.
It's a serious matter. If you remember in 2005, and since then till now, the government of India had decided not to give him a visa. They refused it in 2005. So I want to know what has changed in the last 7 years that Javed Mian Dad is getting an opportunity. If they're going to question him to ask about the whereabouts of Dawood Ibrahim, then it's fair enough. The government should come out with it and tell us.
As the public remembers the horrors of 1993 that revisited Mumbai on 26/11, anyone so close to the terror mastermind can hardly be condoned the relationship, they say.
Being a relative of Dawood Ibrahim doesn't mean he is not a human. First thing first. Second thing, if he is clear by himself, then I do think that on human grounds he should be given.
इसमें गलत करने जैसा कुछ है नहीं, ऐसे मतलब जो भारत अगर आना चाहते हैं तो उसमें कुछ गलत बात नहीं है, वो आना चाहते हैं तो ठीक है.
वो किसी चीज में इन्वॉल्व नहीं है तो उसको वीजा मिलना चाहिए, कि मतलब किसी के किए का किसी पे नहीं होना चाहिए कुछ भी implement.
As of now, it's the green signal for the former Pak cricketer. He's due to land in India on Saturday. Can the public and political outcry force a rethink? With Vishal Thapar, Bureau Report, News X.